Hi, I'm Elena. I'm a Tai Chi instructor, and we here at Share help you with better bodies, happier disposition, aging gracefully, because Tai Chi is very good for balancing your energies. Tai Chi helps in a holistic manner. We receive good energy from the universe, the blood flows better, the nervous system functions better, body-mind connection is stronger. So all the problems that we have with the body, it helps with hypertension, helps with asthma, eczema, helps with diabetes. You'll have better sleep, These very simple movements, easy, you'll be amazed how many gifts and how big a difference you will experience in your life. Countless benefits, but only if you practice, only if you do it regularly. Cannot be in a snap. Yeah? It's like cleaning. Cleaning and clearing cannot be only once a year. Okay? Enjoy your practice. We'd love to have you many times coming to our YouTube channel. You can also find many Tai Chi videos, but be with us so I can teach you step by step and you have good posture and enjoy. So we talked about the feet, we talked about the posture, now we talk about face, the flavor. When you do the Tai Chi, you have also smiling muscles working, okay? And inside thinking that you receive good energy and you release bad energy, okay? Every breath of the movement, inhale is receiving good energy, exhale is releasing. Imagine all the movements you do, that inhaling and exhaling. You're purifying your insides, not just the body, but also emotions, your spirit. You have better outlook in life, zest for life, apart from having very different feeling in the body, okay? Like a live plant and an artificial plant. The two look the same, but not same quality, okay? So when we go out to nature, we receive. Now, even here in this room, I don't need to be in nature, but I imagine I am in the beach, I am in the mountains, the freshness of the beautiful view, beautiful nature I receive, okay? So I'd like to remind you, it's not how deep you go, it's not how slow is actually better, it's not how fast you go, it's how your body-mind connection improves, okay? Let's say here we say, have this flexed, okay? Really check. A lot of times we think it's already flexed. Really, okay, that's flexed. Or the shoulders, we say relax shoulders. It's still rather up, okay? That body-mind connection is very good for the brain. As we age, the brain becomes older too. And some of the neurons don't talk to each other. So doing these movements, coordinating body, arms and legs, the synapses of the nerve cells talk, and function better. So it's very good to prevent dementia, okay? I keep repeating, and I hope you keep following me, okay? This is doing the form from the beginning. We do part the wild horse's mane 3 times. Now, I will talking so you can focus. So we do it 3 times. I'll do it again from starting position. So you always start from the right side of the room, okay? And when you open, think, I am big, I'm one with the universe. I will start really slow, dipping and open to a comfortable, low and open level. And when you go, floating up with the arms and coming down, feeling you're big, connecting with the universe. Turning to your left, and again, part the wild horse's mane. Last time, so we do this 3 times. Very good. Here you're ready for the next step. Okay? When you finish, any point in the practice, when you want to finish, just bring your arms down and slowly close. Okay? So that you can always start and stop having 5 minutes, 10 minutes. The best is 30 minutes a day. Too long? Well, have 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the afternoon, 10 minutes at night. You watch TV, okay? You go standing up. Don't sit. Stand up and do up and down in front of the TV. You'll have stronger legs, good posture, good body-mind coordination. Okay, so enjoy your Tai Chi. It can be very simple, but very profound benefits. Okay? I find my 20-year-old legs is the same as now I'm 54. I feel my legs are pretty much the same as when I started learning this. Enjoy that you're more calm because you have lots of energy. You'll have a brighter disposition. You'll have generosity of spirit. And then when that flavor is always with you, every day, more times in a day, it's like your Tai Chi practice gives you like the skill. Like singing, you practice many times, you get to know the song. The skill of smiling, of breathing, of moving slowly, then becomes your new way of living. Your new posture, your new outlook. And then better health naturally comes. Your old physical problems become less, not right away gets fixed. Gets less. Your doctor will just tell you, your blood test levels, they improved. What's happening? What did you do? Tai Chi. Very precious gift. Enjoy it.